What's the difference between altitudinal and latitudinal migration? Have you ever wondered how birds know where to go when the seasons change? Today, we will discuss two fascinating types of migration, altitudinal migration and latitudinal migration. Understanding these can really enhance your birding experience. First, let's talk about altitudinal migration. This type of migration happens when birds move up and down in elevation, usually within the same geographic area. For instance, during warmer months, some birds might choose to breed or feed in cooler, higher mountain areas. Then, as the colder months approach, they move down to warmer valleys. This vertical movement helps them find food and better temperatures without having to travel long distances. Altitudinal migration is especially common in mountainous regions around the world. Tropical birds often take part in this type of migration, as their food resources can change with elevation and season. A great example is the varied thrush, which moves up slopes in summer and descends in winter. While the distances covered in altitudinal migration are generally shorter, the environmental changes can still be significant. Now, let's shift our focus to latitudinal migration. This is the more familiar type of migration where birds travel long distances horizontally. They move between higher latitudes, closer to the poles, and lower latitudes, closer to the equator. Many birds breed in northern regions during summer and then migrate south to warmer areas for winter. This type of migration often involves crossing large geographic areas, sometimes entire continents or oceans. Latitudinal migration is driven by the need to escape harsh winter conditions and find food during non-breeding seasons. Birds like the Arctic tern travel thousands of miles between their breeding grounds in the Arctic and wintering areas in the Antarctic. In summary, the main difference between these two types of migration lies in their direction and scale. Altitudinal migration is about moving vertically between elevations in the same region, while latitudinal migration involves horizontal movement across vast distances. Both types of migration show how birds adapt to their environment to survive and thrive. Understanding these migration patterns can make birdwatching even more exciting. Next time you are out birding, think about whether the birds you see are moving up and down in elevation or traveling long distances. This knowledge can help you appreciate the incredible journeys that birds undertake every year.